Hey everyone, my name's Ben Kane. Um, I don't have much of a background with working within the criminal justice system. I have worked with individuals who had previously been incarcerated and were looking for like assistance with certain things. But no, not even anybody who direct or who had like recently been incarcerated. Usually, it was people who had been incarcerated, you know, 5, 6 years ago, maybe longer, however long that is. So I have had some experience with working with people who have been incarcerated in the justice system. And I definitely have an interest in working with people. I think that's a population that's super underserved and in a lot of ways discriminated against, and I think a lot of society doesn't even see it as a problem. Like you look for example, like voting rights, and a lot of people who've been incarcerated don't have the right to vote, and aren't able to really participate in like our elections that way. And I think a lot of members of society, definitely painting with a broad brush here, but I think there are a lot of members in society who don't view that as an issue, view that as, well, they don't have, they gave up their right to vote when they committed their crime, or and in some cases were wrongfully incarcerated. Social work definitely has a lot of needs and roles that I think it could fulfill within the criminal justice system. You look at helping people securing housing, helping people to find jobs, helping people to um, unpack the trauma maybe that they experience while being inside of a corrections facility. There's a lot of different roles I think social work could play. There's also, advocacy could be very important. I mean, there's certainly not the best conditions, I guess I would say, for people who are incarcerated. Oftentimes they are kept in really small areas where they aren't, don't have access to proper health care, proper mental health care. I mean, the list goes on and on. I think social work could be honestly very transformative for the criminal justice system and the way we treat people who are incarcerated. I think a lot of times, and definitely within the past of our society, we have not treated them as if they were full human beings, and that's wrong, obviously. But I think social work could potentially be something that could go a long way towards fixing that. And thank you for watching my introduction.